Number 1 asks us to find the solution of the exponential equation, and we have 7 raised to the 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 raised to the 6 plus 5x. Now, when you have the same base, meaning we have both 7s here, we actually only care about the exponents. So the same base, this means we only care about the exponents. So looking at the exponents, I have 2x minus 3, and I have 6 plus 5x. So my new problem is 2x minus 3 is equal to 6 plus 5x. And then we need to solve for x, so if I subtract 5x from both sides, then I'm going to get negative 3x minus 3 is equal to 6. If I add 3 to both sides, then negative 3x is equal to 9, and then divide both sides by negative 3, and x is equal to negative 3. And you can always check your work if you want to. So if you plug back in negative 3 into the original equation, then it should be true.